Today we're going to look at a 2010 Buick Lacrosse that has come in. It's got a check engine light on. Customer said the performance is a little off on the vehicle as to what she had noted prior to the engine light being on. We hooked up our snap-on scan tool to the vehicle, ran the diagnostic on it, found that it had some cam timing correlation issues regarding the variable valve timing. We went ahead and researched those codes, found that these particular engines are known for having the cam chain stretching. We informed the customer that they should have the cam chains replaced. On this particular engine, there's 3 different cam chains, as well as some guides and some hydraulic tensioners that keep tension on the chain when they are functioning. Quite extensive on how we have to put the one chain on and then phase it in with the other side of the motor.
Before we took it apart, but now we're still on time. We have all our marks properly. And if you remember when we first started, how much movement I could get out of this chain, literally make it hop and be able to pass the whole screwdriver through there, and now we have 0, which is what we want.
We also recommended a water pump replacement since we had to remove that in the process. And with 140,000 miles on it, it's probably just a good idea to replace that so it doesn't fail further down the road. So if you're having any drivability issues, or you're not sure if your particular vehicle has a timing chain or a timing belt, please feel free to give us a call. We'd look forward to helping you find out more information on your particular vehicle. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.